Hello my friends, today I want to share with you a beautiful pattern how to crochet this beautiful blanket. This is large blanket, but the pattern is very easy and it goes rather quick. Please find all the information in the description box below this video and enjoy. We will start by making slip knot and chain multiples of 6. I have made chain 18 plus 1 and we will start the pattern. First row, skip 1 and make 6 slip stitches. Then I will be making 6 double crochets, this will be the sequence of our pattern. Next 6 slip stitches, this is row 1, row 2, chain 2 and turn. Chain 2 will work as my first double crochet in this first stitch, then find back loop, second stitch, make double crochet, and 4 more. Six double crochets. You can make chain 2 or chain 3, whatever you feel comfortable with, and then 6 slip stitches, back loop only again, and 6 double crochets. The last stitch I will be making in both loops. chain 2 or chain 3, or which way you prefer. It should be the high of your double crochet. Let's make chain 3 and see how it goes. Then skip this first stitch, go and double crochet in the second stitch, back loop, four more double crochets, six slip stitches, six double crochets, last double crochet in the turning chain, this is the end of this row, chain 1 and turn, and now we are making slip stitches, 6 slip stitches. Start with the first stitch, going back loop only, the space where you had slip stitches, it will be 6 double crochets, back loop only, six slip stitches, last slip stitch in the turning chain, chain 1 and turn, 6 slip stitches, six double crochets, six slip stitches, it was 2 rows with slip stitches, and now it should be 2 rows with double crochets. So let's make chain 3. I feel that for this yarn, chain 3 will work the best. Works as my first double crochet, so start with the second stitch, making 5 double crochets, and I will keep going with this pattern. Please find all the information in the description under this video. If you've got any questions, please write in the comments. Very easy, very relaxing pattern, and it works very quickly. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Press notification bell. If you have any questions, please write in the comments.